Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for a beautiful gift for a book lover in your life, you are going to have to get this vase from Steel Mill and Co.
Bookish accessories are my favorite thing because I have this beautiful library and I love to have anything book related, especially if it is Alice in Wonderland related. So, this vase is absolutely incredible. I think it is just so beautiful. I love how you can use it just as decorative on the shelf by itself because of this absolutely breathtaking artwork all over the vase, but also it makes the perfect vase for flowers. I love how it looks like it has book pages and it is such the perfect size. I really am so impressed with the quality of this. It is literally just so beautiful. I'm really looking forward to filling this with different flowers as the seasons go on, and I am just so happy with it. I think it is the perfect gift to give someone.
I think this is one of the most unique vases I have ever seen. I love it so much. It is the perfect addition to my library, and I couldn't be more happy with it. And that is my point of view.